Let's solve this question on the board. They say if y is equals to what? Sine 2x squared plus 3, find the y, the x. And the formula we're going to use in solving this problem is called what? Chain rule. And what is the formula for chain rule? Chain rule states that what? The y all over the x is equals to what? The y, the x, the y du times the u all over what? The x. What we are going to do next, we are going to say what? Let our y is equals to what? Sine u. This function that is giving us will represent this function with u. And let our u equals to what? This function in front of x, 2x squared plus 3. So we need the derivative of what? Dy du, and we need the derivative of what? Du dx. Let's start from what? The derivative of what? Dy all over what? The u. What is the derivative of sine u? The derivative of sine u is equals to what? Cos u. Anytime you're asked to differentiate, sine is equals to cos, and cos is equals to what? Minus sine u. Now we want to look at du all over what? The x. Du all over the x. And how do we find this derivative? We are going to say this 2 times 2 will give us 4. We write the x. And the rule of the derivative, we take away minus 1. Then if we like, we can say what? 4x raised to power 1. Or we can write it as what? Ordinary 4x. And the derivative of the constant is 0. And the reason why this 3 is constant because it's not carrying letter x. So its derivative is 0. Now we have our what? Our dy du, and we have our what? Our du dx. So we want to put them into this formula. So our dy all over the x now is equals to, what is our dy du? Our dy du is what? Cos u. We are going to write what? Cos u times, and what is our du ds? Our du ds is 4. Now we are going to say 4. Then we are going to say dy all over the x is equals to what? We are going to say this 4x times cos u give us what? 4x cos u. But u is equals to what? Our u is what? 2x squared. Look at the function of u. Our u is what? 2x squared plus 3. That is, our u is the function in front of x, sine x. So we are going to replace this u with 2x squared plus 3. So our dy all over the x now is equals to what? 4x cos 2x squared plus 3. And this is the derivative of what? Sine 2x squared plus 3. Follow me for more. Bye.